Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Riffusion AI. First, go to the Riffusion AI website using your browser. Once you're on the site, click on Login and choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly. After logging in, you can start creating music based on your own ideas and imagination. To begin, click on the Compose button. Now enter the lyrics for your songs. If you need help writing, you'll see an option called Ghostwriter. You can type a short idea or theme there. Then click on Write for Me and the tool will help you generate lyrics automatically. Next, click on Add Vibe to set the mood or style of your track. Select Create New Vibe to customize the feel of your music based on your input. Once your vibe is ready, go back to the lyrics section and paste or type your final lyrics. Now, turn on the Advanced option for more control. You'll see a slider for strength, which lets you decide how strong or bold the music effect should be. In the next step, describe the sound you want. Then check all the details to make sure everything looks good. Click on Generate and the tool will start creating your music. Once it's ready, you can play the sound to listen to it. If you like what you hear, you can also download the track and save it to your device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.